Hi again. So I'm creating this performance optimization course about which I am discussing for so long with you about each and every aspect. It is about identifying your unique selling point, then winning trust so that you become influential, and third is to change a bit size behavior, action, temperament, perception, so that you get closer to your dreams. That is what all about this secrets about this course. Now, why this is a subject? Why should one be talking about this subject so much? Here is the catch. Because each of us is doing something or other, and they have designed their dreams, and they are consistently working towards it, but whether they are optimizing their efforts in doing everyday things or a periodical things, that is the question. Now, from my experience, I know I have spoken to so many people, and everybody kinds of expresses that they're already doing this. Me too, I am doing this. But if you are not tracking on everyday basis about whatever you are doing, what is the outcome that you have planned for that particular activity, then you are going nowhere. And it will kind of demotivate you also after few days, just few days, not even weeks. So for that, what is required? Consistently, you need to tell yourself that this is your strong point about which you are not going to believe, no matter whoever says. It is you who needs to believe upon it, and that consistent belief comes only when you practice, only when you tell yourself that this is the strength that you have, that you are born with this kind of strength. So that is why you have to practice that thing. The second thing is winning trust. When you are going to somebody, approaching somebody, whether you have their trust or not, it depends upon the intention that you have about themselves. If you don't have the honest intention about their well-being, then you are not going to win that their trust. So how do you create that kind of intention, positive intention towards them? Just by changing your perception. So for every day, it depends upon the other person's action also, no? So that is when that dependence on the other person's action is what stops you from creating your own intention, right? So that requires broadening of your thoughts. Ultimately, when you are influential, you are going to do good to yourself as well as that person, right? So that is what is the second thing. And the third thing is to get closer to your dream. Whether your outcomes, whatever outcomes you are designing, whether they are taking you to closer to your dreams, is what matters. Now, most of us are creating everyday outcomes, but I'm not sure how many of us are actually mm, going close towards our dreams or getting away, drifting away from our dreams. So recently I have kind of discovered this thing. I say every day I am working, supporting somebody or other. So creating good vibes, enriching everything, the organization. But is that my dream? Okay, I am strengthening an organization, but where am I? Where am I in terms of my dreams? If my dream is to strengthen that organization, then my stake has to be there, right? So what is my stake out there? So that is what kind of uh, started moving me towards finding out my own dreams, goals, and how much time I am spending towards my goals. So that is the third thing. And all this thing requires kind of a strategy. These are the three systems we need to have, and there are a lot of strategies. And you cannot have something away from whatever you are already doing. Whatever your field of work is, every field of work requires that little kind of adjustment. So whether you are doing this livelihood activities kind of agriculture or MSME, small enterprises, or teaching, or you are a project manager, whatever you are doing, that needs to incorporate your dreams, part of your dreams towards your goals. So that is what performance optimization is all about. It is a small thing, yet it encompasses the entire range of our life and our dreams ultimately. Hope you understand, and we can talk about it in our discussion call. So come join. See you there. Thank you.